Hi everyone, this is Jeje and welcome to Be Colorful. In my hand I have the box of the Tonic Craft Kit 44, the June 2021 kit from Tonic Studios. Like all kits, this one too has a theme, a style, a specific color palette, exclusive dies and stamps, and a selection of nouveau products and papers, all carefully selected based on the theme and colors of the kit. And this month we have a Christmas theme. In particular, it is called Santa's Sentiment. Oh yes, starting to talk about Christmas in June, July is quite strange in my opinion, but in the world of card making it starts quite early. In fact, there are a lot of events called Christmas in July. Oh well, I'll make a little effort. At least I'll already have some Christmas cards ready for December. But let's open this box. As I told you, every month we find some nouveau products, the exclusive dies and stamps, and a set of Craft Perfect papers. And now let's see in detail the contents of the kit. Let's start with the papers, with which we have a full view of the color palette of kit 44. Red, green and white. Colors used a lot for Christmas and remind me the Santa's elves. Bright colors and quite traditional. Not very elegant, and in my opinion they are perfect for a rustic or cheerful style, as they are widely used color in the world of Santa Claus. However, you will see that I'll propose you all kinds of cards. Rustic, elegant, cheeky, simple and elaborate. I've done so many cards. Even if it is July, in the end I got a lot of fun creating Christmas cards with this kit. And these were the papers. This month in the kit we also find a pack of 10 ready-made card base in craft paper in American A2 size. That's 4¼ by 5½ inches. Then again we find a 6x6 paper pad with 8 patterns, Christmas patterns, for a total of 48 sheets with the color combination proposed in the kit: white, green and red. And this was the new paper pad by Tonic Studios, which is part of the new trend 2021, Santa's Workshop. In fact, many of the products in the kit are part of this new trend. Okay, let's take a quick look to the nouveau products. We find a nouveau hybrid ink pad in green color, which is part of this 3 ink pad set. Then we find 2 of the 4 bottles of this set of confetti, glitter and sequins. I found the candy cane confetti and the red glitters. We find the mini size of red glitter embossing powder. On the market you will find the whole package. Finally, we find a full bottle of red vintage drop. This color is exclusive to this kit, so it cannot be bought separately. There is already a red vintage drop in the range of colors available, but it is a darker shade of red than this one from the kit. This month in the kit we find a red and white polka dot go grain ribbon by Craft Perfect. I think they hadn't produced ribbons yet, just twines. Okay, let's move on to the dies and stamps, which allow us to create Christmas sentiment. We have 3 large words coordinated with dies that cut out the design along the edges. In particular, we find Christmas, holidays, and Yuletide. Then we find 3 smaller words, again with coordinated dies, which create the words love, hope, and peace. And these are the sentiment dies, quite large and with a very particular design. They are suitable to be the focal point of our card. The set also includes a die for creating tags, 3 to create banners. Finally, we find some dies that allow us to create decorations on the edges or to add some interest in a background. As you can see, they will only create the various dots and stitch, having no blade on the edges. And this is the die set. The stamp set contains, for the most part, sentiment, which can be combined with the dies. Used together, they allow us to compose, for example, Happy Holidays or Merry Little Christmas. We can also stamp the sentiment on the banners created with the dies. And that was all the content of the Tonic Craft Kit 44. We just have to create. Taking advantage of what the kit provides, the first card I'm gonna propose you is perfect for using your pattern papers and ribbons, which may have been there for years to collect dust, like mine. It will be a really quick and easy card. First, I'm going to prepare a 6x6 card base. Of course, you can opt for a different size. I just take advantage of the size of the pattern paper, so I don't even have to cut it out. As a paper for my card base, I'm gonna use this one by Fabriano. A bit thin compared to the cardstock I usually use, but I need a sheet large enough to create a 6x6 card base. Instead of this paper, you can use a 12 by 12 inches paper or make a smaller card. Okay, now I glue the pattern paper on the card base. And with the ribbon included in the kit, I'm gonna create the classic cross closure of a gift pack. I glue the ribbons with a pin of liquid glue and glue dot. Then with the same ribbon I'm gonna create a bow, trying to make it cute. Well, at the end, I did it! Now I'm going to cut out the ends of the bow, creating a fishtail. Simply fold the end of the ribbon in half and then make a diagonally cut. I'm going to glue the bow with glue dot. And I chop off the excess ribbon. Let's move on to the sentiment. On some white cardstock, I'm going to die cut a banner using the die of the kit, on which I stamped Mary with clear Versamark ink, and then made a heat embossing with the red glitter embossing powder included in the kit. I'm gonna complete the sentiment by stamping Christmas from this stamp set, this time with the green ink from the kit. Then I'm going to die cut the word with the small banner of the kit, but I decided to cut it out slightly to make it thinner. I ink up the edges with black ink, so I define the banner a bit. Finally, I'm going to glue the sentiment strip above the word Mary, using some foam pad. Always with the largest banner of the kit, I'm going to die cut on the green pattern paper with snowflakes. By gluing the green banner under the white one, I will make the white banner stand out a little more, since the pattern paper background is also for the most part white. In addition, this cluster of banners is a very nice decorative element. Now I just have to glue the little greeting tag on the gift box and add some finishing touches by stamping some stars here and there and embossing them with the red glitter embossing powder from the kit. This part definitely lengthens the process of creating this card, so you can omit it. Also, if you want to customize a pattern paper in this way, which is very nice, I recommend you to do that first. I thought about it later and I wanted to do it, so I do it now. I finish the gift pack card by gluing 3 candy cane sequins and creating drops with the red vintage drop included in the kit. And that's all for today. This card is really quick and easy to make if you don't modify the pattern paper with heat embossing, and if you avoid adding nouveau drops, which require drying times. You can replicate this idea with any pattern paper, even no Christmas, by creating nice gift box card for any occasion. You can also create a rectangle, round, oval gift box, in short, of any shape and size. Don't forget to subscribe and leave me a thumbs up if you enjoyed my video. So I thank you for stopping by, see you next time, bye bye and be colorful!